Okay, real talk, ladies. When a woman get older, she changed her mind about men. She stopped tolerating certain things. What are they, man? Let's analyze. First, she stopped tolerating a man who can't make a simple plan. If you are always saying, I don't know, you are actively choosing to waste her time. Woman wants a leader, not a question mark. Second, she stopped tolerating a man who doesn't take responsibility for his own feeling or finance. She wants a partner, not a son. If you can't manage your own life, you need to grow up before dating a mature woman. A mature woman know her worth. She wouldn't argue. She will simply cut her losses and move on. Man, if you want her, bring charity and stability.